Hey friends, if Instagram Store app won't install in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, just try a disk cleanup because there could be some redundant Instagram related files on the system which may be causing the issue. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check all the boxes here. Click on OK once again and select delete files. The next one is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, re-register the Microsoft Store. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste the script here and hit enter. I'll tell you what, this script is already in the description section of the video. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.